How to download and play GTA Vice City on PC or laptop. So if you want to download and play GTA Vice City on your PC or laptop, then what you need to do is first you just need to simply go with your search, and under search you need to search for Rockstar games through which you can download the game. So just go with the first option, which is the website, or here also you will have the GTA San Andreas. You can simply click on it or just go with the official website. Once you're here, you can again go with the search, which is on the upper right, and make sure that you're under the games section. Now, under games, you need to simply go with GTA Vice City, search for it, and here you will have your GTA Vice City. So you just need to simply click on any game that you would like to download. So I'll just simply choose the first option. Once you click on it, now you need to simply scroll down, and you may have the buy option or download option right here on the bottom. But if you don't have the option right here, then what you can do is just simply go back to the search page, and here you can simply search for Grand Theft Auto or GTA Vice City, and then simply click on the website that comes with Grand Theft Auto. And now once you click on it, it will take you to this kind of interface where you will have the buy now option on the top right or on the bottom left. So you just need to simply click on buy now, and again click on buy now on your PC and make sure that you have the amount, which is right here. And once you click on buy now, then you just need simply sign into your account and enter your date of birth. And if you've not added your payment methods, you need to add your payment method and select your payment method and then proceed, and you will be able to download and play your GTA Vice City game. So that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.